Control additives can be defined as chemical added to improve the paper-making process only, and do not directly affect the finished paper product, or are even necessarily retained on the finished product. It is also enhance paper machine runnability, which is a key factor for mill profitability. Control additives include retention aids, drainage aids, biocides and defoamers. Retention aids are often polymers that are added to improve the retention and function of small and medium-sized materials. Positively charged retention aids functions as a bridge agent towards the negative charge with surface and some functional additives that repel the fiber surface. Particularly, retention aids need to be added in alkaline paper making process but not in acidic paper making process, as alum acts as a retention aid in this process. Examples of retention aids are polyethylene and polyacrylamide. The next control additives are biocides. The secondary fibers, starch and the improper whitewater treatment may aggravate the problem of microorganism growth. Microorganisms including sessile bacteria and fungi will grow around paper machine, and produce slime. The slime may defect the sheet formation and cause the paper breakdown. So, with biocides, slime can be controlled and reduced. There are at least two major classes of biocides. Firstly, oxidizing agents such as chlorine dioxide and hydrogen peroxide. The oxidizing action either kills the bacteria and the fungi, or weakens the cell walls to make them more susceptible to the other major class of biocides. The other classes are highly toxic organic chemicals. The example of toxic biocides are thiazole, thiocyanate, isothiazole, cyanobutane, dithiocarbamate, thione and bromo compounds. The next control additives are the drainage aid. Drainage aids are materials that increase the amount of water drained from the pulp slurry on the wire. Added drainage aid resulting in an increase in the speed of the paper machine. Alum is one of the examples of drainage aids. Alum not only acts as a drainage aid, but is also used for sizing under acidic conditions. Lastly, the defoamers. Defoamers are surface active agents used on paper mills to reduce foam problems. The large quantity of foam produced in the pulp and paper manufacturing process affects overall productivity and quality. So, defoamers are used to prevent troubles caused by foaming during the washing of pulp, and tackles both surface foam problems and entrained or trapped air. Example defoamers include alkyl polyesters, polydimethylsiloxanes, ethylene oxide, EO, or polypropylene oxide, PO, oligomers, hydrocarbon or polyethylene waxes, fatty alcohols, fatty acids, fatty esters and ethylene bisteramide, EBS.